Hello all! In this tutorial we will discuss a Unity feature that holds great importance during the game development process. As we all know, game development is a process that requires application of physics and mathematics, which, therefore, requires complex mathematical calculations to be done. Doing this repeatedly consumes a lot of time. Fortunately, Unity has a feature that allows you to calculate values in the inspector fields itself by just typing the expressions in the field, and the Unity will do the calculation for you and input the calculated value in the field. Let us take an example wherein you have a cube game object and would like to scale it by 2.5 times. So, instead of calculating what scale value should be entered, we can suffix the current scale field value with multiply by 2.5. The final calculated value will now be the new value of that field. The same principle applies to any text field value in Unity Game Engine. We can also perform more complex calculations like 4 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 2, and there you have the final calculated value of 8. Let us take one final example wherein we would like to change the material color by dividing the red property of RGB values by 2. Instantly we can see the value is calculated and the color of the material changes correspondingly. We have come to the end of this quick Unity tip. I hope you liked it. Subscribe, like, comment and share my channel for more fun videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.